Hello students, welcome to the commerce class. Today's topic is branches of commerce. So let's see what are the different branches of commerce. Number one, it is trade. Number one is trade. Second is warehousing. Third is advertising. Fourth is transportation. Okay, so let's understand each term one by one. First, trade. What is trade? Trade is any exchange. Trade is any exchange. Let's understand it more clearly. The commercial business of buying and selling goods for profit either within or between the countries. So what is trade? The commercial business of buying and selling goods for profit either within or between the country. Next, warehousing. Warehousing refers to the activities involving the storage of goods. So basically it involves the activity of storage of goods on a large scale in a systematic and orderly manner, making them available conveniently whenever needed. Okay, so it's basically the storage of goods on a large scale, systematically and orderly. Second point, it means holding or preserving goods in huge quantities from the time of their purchase or production till their actual use or sale. So it is completely a preservation of the goods till they are sold. Third, creates time utility by bridging the time gap between production and consumption of the goods. It creates the time utility also. So next term is advertising. This is another branch of commerce derived from original Latin word advertere, which means to turn the attention. Advertere means to turn the attention. So advertising is a tool of mass communication. It makes mass selling possible. It is a macro concept as it is a mass selling function representing the entire advertising industry. Okay, then next is it promotes the goods through information and persuasion. So advertising is a tool of mass communication. It promotes the goods through information and persuasion. Okay, so you must have seen different advertisements of different products. So what are these? It's just ensuring to advertise it on a mass level, on a large scale. Next term is transportation. This is another important and very important branch of commerce. Transport or transportation is the movement of people and goods from one location to the other, according to Wikipedia. Okay, so actually transportation is the movement of the products from one node in the distribution channel to another. So transportation of product means transporting the final products to the desired place for its final consumption. So 4 branches of commerce we have learned: trade, warehousing, advertising and transportation. Now here are some questions given for your understanding. Please solve it and we will discuss the answers and doubts in the next class. Okay, so thank you so much. Please do your homework very well. We'll meet again. Goodbye.